Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I've come up with an interesting and hot news regarding the new dates of CSAR net June 2020 examinations. So I think many of us are waiting for these new dates because we have a lot of rumors like it's going to be conducted in July or August, or sometimes some people were telling that they are going to merge both the December and November exams and so on. So there have been a small update which has come in at Twitter, the official page of Human Resource Development, HRDG, and let us see that particular update regarding that what is given. So you can see here that in the official page of HRDG, you can see there is a small update given recently, 2 days before, that is 5 June 2020 net exam being rescheduled to second week of November 2020 tentatively. So that means it's also not a fixed date, but they are expecting to conduct the examination basically in the month of November in second week. So as I told you, there could be a possibility that they can merge the situation, like they can merge both December and November exams also, but we don't know the exact situation because of this prevailing COVID. So I think now we have left out with around 2 to 3 months, and we can have a very good preparation for the examination. So guys, you can see it is not yet come in the official page of official website of CSAR, but I think it will be coming very shortly, and I think it's time for us to work hard and qualify this examination with the help of these 3 months left out. So I'll be putting the updates of these examinations. Whatever latest updates are coming in this exam regarding this examination will be uploaded in my YouTube channel. So you can subscribe my channel for getting more updates, and also you can visit my channel for getting latest solutions of CSAR net December 2019 examinations also. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.